Good morning, Amaka.
Good morning, Alu.
It is time for class. Hurry up with whatever you are doing.
Let us go in, Alu.
Good morning, students. How was your weekend?
It was fine, sir.
A little warm-up quiz for you guys. The first 10 students to get the answer correctly will get 5,000 Naira each. What is autotrophic nutrition? I know the answer, sir. Can we have your answer, Richard?
What a simple question. Autotrophic nutrition is the process through which plant prepared its food from oxygen.
With your overconfidence, you still got it wrong. But you can try better next time. Amaka, what have you got to say?
I will not toe the line of oversabi, sir. Autotrophic nutrition is the process used by a small child to pup you on his daddy chest.
Amaka the great girl, but you disappointed me now. Thanks for your effort, Amaka. But do you want to make another attempt? Because your answer is wrong. Alu, can you give it a try?
I am optimistic that the cash prize will be mine. Autotrophic nutrition is the process through which organisms make meal out of dead plants.
That is a great attempt, but I am afraid that you got it wrong. Does anybody knows the answer? Abubakar, can you give it a try?
Autotrophic nutrition is a form of photosynthesis where green plants manufacture their food through carbon dioxide.
You got it wrong. But you can still take another attempt on the upcoming quiz. Since all of you cannot get the answer right, let's allow students at home participate in the quiz. I am sure students with the mobile classroom app would be smart to know the answer. Hello! Brilliant minds out there. Please, you are free to participate in this quiz. Send your answers to the quiz here. Put in your registration email or phone number used on mobile classroom app and indicate if you have subscribed on the app. Subscribers stand better chances of being selected for the 5,000 Naira cash prize. This is an illustration on how you can be qualified for the monthly
First,
quiz.
update your profile. To qualify for the quiz for cash, you must have subscribed and taken lectures for the month. Click continue to access the past quiz topics. The date and time for the next quiz would always be available on the app from time to time.
All subscribers can always participate in the mobile classroom app monthly quiz for cash, where each students get 20,000 monthly. Download the app now to stand a chance to win the cash prize.